This is the way to practice vibrato. Some people use vibrato as an effect. Every time they play a longer note, they just put on like a flutter vibrato as fast as they can, right? Or the same tempo. So we just influence the note and try to make it sound more interesting when it's long, right? But what I'm talking about in this video is to be absolutely in a 1000% control of your vibratoing. So instead of using it as an effect, which then becomes just part of your sound, you can use it as an expressional tool because you have control over it. So you can do slow vibratos, you can do faster, or you can do the max, right? And the way to achieve this, total control over this little technique, is to use a metronome. Just the technique in itself is, the way I do it is I twist my hand a little bit. That's how it feels. So if I'm picking the note on the G string in the 5th fret with my first finger, or I'm fretting it with my first finger, I'm twisting the note down so it increases in pitch just a little bit. If it's with the 3rd finger, I do the same thing. It's like a little bit of a twist, right? Of course you can do a whole semitone, right? Right? Or you can use just a slight, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. You can always practice that as you do this exercise. So what I did was, nobody told me how to control this stuff. It was just like vibratos, like, right, or classical, right? It's just like that. But in order to control it, you turn on your metronome and you simply start in the simplest way possible, having 1 turn per click, or 1/2 turn. So I go, right? Easy? Is it? Right? And of course I can go up in tempo and do that a lot, but at some point I'm gonna reach a point where it's not, you know, I can do it and the metronome kind of maxes out. So what I do instead is I do triplets and I do 16th notes. So triplets would be, let me just turn it down a little bit here. So if you start with triplets, so it's a 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ba 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 ba. So I go right? Let me just do that a little bit slower so you can really follow it. Right? If you can do this, then you can control your vibrato, because now you really have some good. Right? It becomes easy at some point if you do this enough. You don't have to do it for hours, but you have to do it every day. So triplets would be 1 2 3 1 2 3 da, 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 da. Right? And you can also do 16 notes, of course. 1 2 3 4 1 2. Let me just get it down here so we can really follow it. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Right? So if you can do these simple exercises, if you do them every day, then you will be able to not only do vibrato in exactly the tempo with exactly the feel you want, you can also follow the rhythm of the music. Of course, we have that effect of doing vibrato as fast as you can, which is really cool in blues, right? Right? That's really cool, but that's not control. That's just an effect, which is really cool, right? So I recommend warmly that you start doing this now. If any of this is just the slightest bit difficult or like, right, then you need to do this and just get it handled. Do this for 30 days, 5 minutes each day. Practice with the metronome. Do it faster and faster until it comes easy, and your playing will be transformed forever. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, of course, and do it now. And I hope to see you in the next video. And also, you can click the link just below here and download a free course on our website. See you.